joining 3 Micro Smashers tonight. So we'll start off with Layla Millington.
Good.
Up next, let's call on Clara Serrano.
Dapat appear.
Please give it up for Nara Musa.
Not following instruction.
A big hand for Charlene Anaso. Give it up as well for Princess Stakana. Give it up for the select players from Calgary and surrounding areas, ladies and gentlemen. And it's now time to meet the players who have experienced the highest level of volleyball competition in the Philippines and around the world. First, a promising young talent known for defensive skills and agility. She's a libero with great potential and determination. Standing 5'4" from Toronto, Canada, Aliyah Joy Torres! Next, bringing height and precision to the team is an emerging center from my wife's alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Standing 5'8", please welcome Bea Boniface! Now one of the league's most reliable liberos and a crowd favorite for her energy and quick reflexes. Standing 5'3" from the Ateneo de Manila University, please give it up for Maria Carmela Ella De Jesus! Taking charge of the team's offense with her playmaking brilliance is a seasoned center from my alma mater, Far Eastern University. Standing 5'8", let's hear it for Kyle Negrito, the PBL best center of 2023. Next, a versatile and consistent performer on both ends of the court. She's an outside hitter who has won the PBL Best Outside Hitter Award. Standing 5'7" from Far Eastern University, give it up for Bernadette Paul! Up next is a dynamic scorer and leader whose explosive attacks light up every game. The PBL Finals MVP of 2022 and a multiple-time Best Outside Hitter. At 5'7" from Adamson University, please give it up for Gemma! Finally, the team's most celebrated player, the 3-time PBL MVP. Known for her powerful hits and clutch plays, standing 5'8", the opposite hitter from the University of the Philippines is a true volleyball superstar. Please give it up for Todd Carlos! And of course, this amazing team is led by their brilliant technician, Coach Sherwin Meneses, and his trusted assistant, Coach Mark. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Coach Sherwin and Coach Mark. And their local player, Layla Millington. Wearing jersey number 18, Tom Carlos. Wearing jersey number 15, Bea Bonafre. And Coach Sherwin Meneses. And of course, our Del Rivero, Ella De Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Team Greenline Dual Smashers and Campamucho and Reyes. Of course, head coach and Reyes, Coach Ronald Agustin. There's a touch, so that's a point for Nat Reyes. Excellent timeout for Nat Reyes. They break that momentum by Greenline. Now they get a point. Off the block and goes out. Point for Bernadette Ponce. Substitution. Ella De Jesus for Layla Millington. De Jesus to serve for Greenline. We're tied at 21.
21 all. Oh!
They're on the receive for Andres, point for Ella De Jesus. Greenline Dual Smashers. They're not ahead by 1 point here. Set number 2. Back-to-back Mr. Seems here for Andres. Finding that towards the end of the second set. They're up by 2, 23-21. De Jesus. And guess who's at set point now? Greenline.
We really appreciate all your efforts, all your support, and everything you do for the team. Maraming salamat po.
I love you!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Todd Carlos and the Greenline Dual Smashers. And for those who have the special badge, you will have the opportunity for your photo op with the team. Team Greenline Dual team who are waiting room upstairs for the photo op. Players, please make your way to our waiting room upstairs, where you can do your photo ops with some of our select fans. Thank you.